What? Say nudes. You want to see some nudes? Okay, bet. The first step to getting this perfect skin tone nude lip color that is perfect for your complexion, you want to start off by making sure your lips are moisturized. So I've already moisturized my lips with this lip oil treatment. Next, I'm going to use my brown lip liner. Next, we're going to use a darker concealer. So this is the concealer that I usually contour with. This is my favorite one to use. So you just want to make sure you're using your contouring concealer or like a darker color concealer that you usually contour with. This is going to be the key to getting the perfect skin tone nude lip color that's perfect for your complexion. Next, you're going to get your favorite concealer. So this is a concealer that I've actually used today to highlight with, or just like to conceal under my eyes. So this is from e.l.f. It's a 16-hour camo concealer. So I'm going to use this one too. Next, you're going to apply the darker color concealer, the contour concealer. You're going to apply that onto your lips. Next, we're going to apply our concealer. So that is how you get the perfect skin tone nude lip color that is perfect for your complexion. So like I said, the key to this trick or hack is to use a concealer that you contour with that is perfect for your skin complexion, and a concealer that is lighter that you would usually highlight or conceal with that is perfect for your complexion. Okay, so here's your nudes. Send.